Hey, the business owners. This is Mark Hussain, an e-commerce SEO expert. Today, I'm gonna to share an important part of technical SEO, and it is very common in technical SEO part, and it is about feed URL. Actually, feed URL create automatically in WordPress website, and it make issue in Google Search Console. For creating this kind of feed URL in Google Search Console, the Google bot misguided. Actually, the Google bot cannot get enough time to crawl over important pages and giving rank. So the feed URL is a barrier to rank our pages and in what our website perfectly, because the feed URL reduce and loss our crawl budget of Googlebot. So we should prevent this feed URL. The first thing is the feed URL create automatically, and the second thing is by after creating this kind of feed URL, it's make a show and it make a problem. It's take the crawl budget of Google bots, and that's why our important pages cannot get enough time and cannot get rank on the on right time. So we should solve this problem. We can solve this feed URL into many ways. The first thing I like to solve this feed URL in two ways. The first way is use uh, Robot.txt. We can prevent this feed URL by using disallow on our Robot.txt. After that, the Googlebot will not index our website. Google not index our feed URL in our Google Search Console. And another way is install a plugin and prevent this feed URL. And I love both, but now I'm going to present you. I'm going to show you how can you prevent, how can you stop this feed URL by plugin. So let's go. In pages you are watching, there are about 800 not indexed pages, and if we scroll down we will will get crawl correctly not indexed, and it is contained with for about 500 shows 500 pages. So if we go there, we will get it is the feed URL, feed URL. Because of don't preventing this type of URL, it's come our issues in Google Search Console. If we open our feed URL to what how it's look like, we'll find it is the actual side of feed URL. Actually, this kind of content is not necessary for our website to rank, and Google also not give rank. That's why the Google Search Console record it as crawl correctly, not index. Actually, Google bot comes here, has came here and don't come here and crawl but not index at important page and don't give the rank on Google. And for crawling, this URL takes a time and allows our crawl budget. So we should prevent this, and that's why we will go our website. This is our website, and it is now we should come in the plugin. tab and click on add a new plugin. Add a plugin. Then we will search disable everything plugin. Now we should search disable everything plugin. Not it is. This is the plugin. After install and activate this plugin, we can prevent all kinds of feed URL from our Google Search Console. It is already installed. Now need to activate. Okay, it is activate. Now we are searching is on our installed plugin section. This is the plugin, disable everything. Now we go settings section. Then scroll down. There are lots of things we can disable, but we need to search our RSS feed. This is the RSS feeds, and we should give sign here and save changes. Okay, so if we use this or check this sign and save changes, after that in future this type of feed will not make issue on our Google Search Console, and our important page and the Google bot will get a right page very quickly, and it will not take too much time to index our important pages. So I think you have got it. Why, how the feed will create, what type of damage it make on our website, and how we can prevent it, how we can solve the issues. So have a good time, and if you feel if you feel you need if you feel you need e-commerce SEO expert, then you can contact with me. You can make a call, and also you can send me a text. So have a good time. That's enough for today.